Hello YouTube family, my name is Aditya and you are watching the DevOps guy. In the last video, we have discussed about the octal format of the file permission. In today's session, we will learn about the UMASK. This topic requires little attention of yours because it's slightly confusing to understand. So let's start. In Linux, default permissions assigned to a file and the directories at the time of creation. Consider an initial permission of 666 initial permission and 777 on directory. Now in Linux we have two kind of users. First is root user and second is normal user. Root user UMASK value is 002 and normal user UMASK value is 00022. But what is UMASK and why it is used? Take a scenario, as an admin I want whenever the normal user create file, the permissions assigned to file must be 664 only. Read write for user and group and read permission for others. Here UMASK come into the picture. By assigning the UMASK value, we can change the default permission of the file during creation. This default permission. So UMASK means subtract value from the present initial value. Initial permission of file is always 666. UMASK value for root user is standard 002. If we do the subtraction, the result would be 664. So whenever a root user create a file, it will always have the permission of 664. Same logic is applicable for directory as well. By default, whenever a root user create a directory, the default permission to that directory will be 775. Let's take an example for the normal user. So UMASK for normal user is 022. This is set standard. Let me show you. So how to check the UMASK here? The command to check UMASK is just press UMASK. See 022. Ignore the first bit right now. That is an entire different topic. Just focus on the last three. So 022. So check the current permission of file and directory. So let me create a one blank file, touch file 1 and one directory as well, and file name as dir1. Okay, now do ls. So file is having a permission of read write, read and read means 644. Okay, so see this normal user file 644, UMASK value 022. Here my UMASK value is 022. So by default the permission assigned to this file is 644. Same logic is applicable with the directory. Here in directory the permission is 755. See this 755. Now in order to change the UMASK, what should I do? UMASK, let me first clear it. UMASK, my UMASK value, for example I'm just showing you 11001 and enter. UMASK value will be changed. So let's take an example. I want to set a default permission of 662. So what does it mean? Whenever a file is being created, the permission should be on that file is equal to 662. Read write and write only. Okay, initial permission of file is 666. My ask is 662. So if I do the basic math, The result is 004. This is my UMASK value that I need to assign in order to get the desired result. So here current UMASK, let me show you the current UMASK. Current UMASK is 022. New UMASK I want 004. So now the UMASK is 004. Now let's create one file. Touch ls -l file 2, not file to do the file. This, see, now the file is having a permission of read write, and write only. This was the ask 662. Earlier the permission was 644. My permission was earlier 644, now it's 622. So this way UMASK work. Important point to note here, this method is temporary. Permissions will go back to default as soon as the user log out. To make this permanent, need to change it under the .bash rc file. I will cover that thing in a separate video. So that's all about the UMASK. I hope it is clear to you all now. In next video, I will discuss about the set UID. Till then, watch the previous video, do practice, share your doubts in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.